So, this is a very inexpensive dial meter movement that you can find on eBay, AliExpress, Banggood, GearBest, all those places. And I paid less than $5 for it, although I did have to wait almost 2 months for it to arrive. So I suppose if you paid more money from some other sellers, you can get them quicker. But this whole top cover here is plastic and will pop off. The white numbered part is translucent plastic, because when you buy this thing, it's backlightable. I took the backlight out, and onto that plastic face I then put a little, in this case it was a brass contact, which I think you can just kind of see there, and soldered a wire to it, and that's this red wire. I ran it out the back. The way the meter movement works, they use the metal frame of the meter as the positive to the coil for the meter movement, and the negative to the coil of the meter goes through one of the little wound spring type things. So as long as this frame is already being used as the positive, that means the needle will also be positive. So if you scrape all the paint off the side of the needle, when it swings over and contacts the brass, you should complete a circuit. And being that it's a meter movement, it's very sensitive. It'll do a full swing with 0.175 of a volt, very low. And the milliamp is less than 1/4 of 1 milliamp. 0.25 was typical. The coil impedance is about 680 ohms if you care. In this case, I've wired a solar cell from the dollar store, you know, the little garden lights that they'd sell. Also, you can find them at Walmart that, you know, charge all day and supposedly it'll light up at night. Just borrowed the solar cell out of those, one of those, hooked it to the meter, and I'm going to shine a very dim LED flashlight, because I haven't got a bright LED flashlight right now, onto it. And I hooked a red LED and a battery pack up to the switch contacts. So when the circuit closes, the red LED should light, and we'll see. There we go. Whenever I shine it on there, we can get some light going. So, if you ever have any use for a really low voltage, really low current, super sensitive relay to trigger some sort of circuit, here's an easy way to make a meter relay.